Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will navigate the Outlook interface, covering the basics about the app. Welcome to Outlook. Your Outlook may appear different if you're a home or a business user, but the core features are the same. The folder pane is on the left. Some folders are pre-populated, plus you can make more. Moving to the right is your message list for each folder. When you select an email, it will appear in the reading pane. You can also view any attachments up at the top. You'll see the ribbon with many other options for organizing your emails. You can expand or collapse the ribbon by selecting the arrow at the top right. If you want to change the appearance of your message list, select the View tab, select Layout to change the size of the folder pane, move the reading pane, or even turn panes on or off like the To-Do bar. To adjust the size of your message text, use the zoom bar at the lower right, moving a slider then clicking on a percentage. You can find more commands by right-clicking anywhere. Find folder commands or options for an email. Select the Help tab to contact customer support or see training videos. The fastest way to find anything is to type it in search. Often you can do that action right there. You can also search all of Outlook for email, documents, contacts, and more. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.